Success doesn't take years. It takes 30 days of obsession. And this is your war map. Picture this. You wake up 30 days from now, no longer scrolling endlessly, no longer confused about your future, no longer wasting time trying to get motivated. You're focused, dialed in. People notice something's changed, but they can't explain it. You just walk different now. This isn't about hacks. This isn't about vibes. This is war against your old self. Let's begin. Phase 1, burn the old. You before you rise, you must erase. No more half resets, no more slow improvement. You need a clean slate, like deleting a corrupted file. Step 1, digital detox. Delete TikTok, Reels, Shorts, block the entire internet if you have to. Turn your phone to grayscale, strip the colors, kill the dopamine. Don't limit Instagram. Uninstall it. Feel the panic. That's the old you dying. Step 2, command your environment. Your room should look like a mission control center, not a junkyard of distractions. Throw out trash. Rearrange your desk. Put a sticky note above your setup that reads, "Discipline over dopamine." Not a quote, a lifestyle. Step 3, journal like a soldier. Answer this. What's destroying my focus? What is the one thing I must accomplish in 30 days? And what happens if I don't change? You're not doing this to feel good. You're doing this because staying the same is now unacceptable. Phase 2, enter monk mode. Now, the pain begins, and pain is your receipt that you're doing it right. You build your non-negotiable routine. Wake up at the same time every day. No excuses, no phone for the first hour, no screen, no scroll, cold shower, journal. Read 5 pages of something real. Why a cold shower? Because your brain needs to know we do hard things now. Then, lock in on one goal. Just one. Study, business, fitness. Doesn't matter. Pick the hill. Die on it. If you chase 5 rabbits, you catch none. Chase one, relentlessly. Then, design your trigger routine. This is the system that makes motivation irrelevant. Right after breakfast, deep work, after workout, study or create. Before bed, read plus reflect. No overthinking, no gaps, just rhythm. Phase 3, stack wins, track everything now. Momentum kicks in. You're feeling different, sharper, hungrier. Now we go tactical. Draw 30 boxes on a page. Label them. Workout, focus, reading, dopamine detox. Tick them daily. This is your scoreboard, your mental progress bar. Your brain loves streaks. Give it proof that you're showing up. Next, accountability. Tell someone. Friend, sibling, YouTube community, anyone. Say this out loud. I'm building my future self. I don't skip. Now you've made it public. That pressure? That's good. That's power. Then apply the 3x3 system. 3 deep work blocks, morning, afternoon, evening. 3 micro rewards, walk, stretch, music. 3 daily reflections. What went right, what sucked, what's next. You're not just improving, you're becoming unstoppable. Phase 4, skill plus self-worth equals power. This is where 90% of people tap out, but not you. You're done being average. Now, you build something that pays you. Pick a skill: copywriting, video editing, coding, public speaking, design. Anything real, watch 1 hour of tutorials a day. Practice every single day, not for fun, for freedom. Then use that skill immediately. Start a YouTube channel. Build a free Notion template. Offer gigs on Fiverr. Make your first 100 rupees. Feel the shift from consumer to creator. Success isn't just hard work. It's hard work on what scales. Now look around. If your space looks like a lazy person lives here, fix it. Buy a cheap lamp. Put up a quote. Move your table. Make your environment whisper. You don't play games anymore. Phase 5. Reinvent your identity. This is the final shift, the rebirth. You've fought through 27 days of war. You've silenced distractions. You've built consistency. You've leveled up your skills. You've kept your promises. Now you don't want success. You are it. Write this down. I'm not who I was. I don't break promises to myself. I finish what I start. Let that sink in. Then ask yourself, what happens if I live like this for a year? Because this 30-day version of you, he's just the prototype. The real beast is still loading. Don't save this video for later. Don't comment, starting tomorrow. Start now. Not because I said so, because you finally realize